die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my gorgeous mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Master, and in today's video we're going to be doing another op shop haul. Yep, we really went there again. But before we talk about that, I do want to mention my fragrance of the day, and that is this little vial of fragrance oil that I got from a local business, and it is oak and tobacco. It is simply one of the best things I've ever smelled in my life. $8.95 Australian for this. It's supporting a local business, it's vegan, it's cruelty free. It's got this rich, woody quality to it, and it's also got that sort of dusty, spicy quality from the tobacco. At $8.95, man. Eventually, once my channel blows up, once my name gets out there, once I'm sort of able to do this sort of almost as a job, rather than just as something I really enjoy doing, I'm gonna transition from covering like ultra expensive, massive corporations to little businesses and companies like this. Because this is where the real innovation in the industry is happening. It isn't with companies like Versace and Bulgari and all those sorts of places that are charging, I mean, for Christ's sakes, mate, we're talking like $600 for fragrances. Who wants to spend $600 on a fragrance? It's ridiculous the way the industry is trending. Everything's becoming more and more expensive. It's a joke, mate. That's why fragrances like this container of fragrance oil is gonna last me 3 times longer than anything I actually already own. And yet, it smells better, it performs better, it's cheaper, it's supporting actual people that I know that live in my town. You know what I mean? That's what the industry should be trending towards, not spending $150 on the next Gucci fragrance. And don't get me wrong, I understand I'm contributing to that, but this is where the industry is trending. This is the stuff that I'm most passionate about. And as for the fragrance itself, which is the most important thing, there's nothing better than this, mate. This smells incredible. $8.95, oak and tobacco. Support your local businesses. Go and buy local products, guys. This is where it's at. Excuse my little rant there. I'm passionate about this crap. Let's start off with my outfit of the day. I've got one of those sody flannies that I was talking about. Like, remember in the last thrifting haul video that I did when I picked up this? Well, one of the shirts I already own is from the same brand, Sody, Salt to the Earth. It's like all recycled fibers, all that stuff, and it's like $20. It's such good value. So yeah, this is one of my favorite flannies. I think it looks fantastic. Just as a little recap, I actually wanted to try this one on again because I thought it would look good buttoned up. So you'll have to bear with me a moment. Now my one that I already owned is a medium, and this is an extra large, but for some reason, the sizing for this brand is really all over the place. It's all over the shop, as we say here in Australia. I mean, I spent like what? This was part of that $5 bag, so works out to like 50 cents. What's better than that? Plus the blue, man, it's incredible. What good value. Alright, let's get on to the actual haul. First up is this vegan leather Connor jacket. Looks like a leather, but it isn't. I checked the label. It's a size small. I didn't try it on in the store. I've already got a feeling it's gonna be too small for me. Like, their medium stuff is already like borderline for me. So I've got a feeling that this small jacket, I'm gonna have to give it away to a mate or something. Yeah, that's way too tight. Like, it's such a shame though, because I love the way it looks. It's very me. I mean, can I even do it up? Sort of. It's like super tight. Yeah. I mean, I could... It's just... Can I get it on? Yeah, I can get it on, but it's definitely not ideal. So it looks fantastic, but I'm gonna have to move it on. But for $3, I couldn't not pick it up. Next is this Rhythm jacket that looks identical to another Rhythm jacket that I owned. Rhythm are a pretty solid brand as well. Like this jacket that I owned, like, oh man, I would have been, just after I finished high school, I ended up spending like 140 bucks on it. So this is like a $140 jacket. It looks, man, it could be the one that I bought in high school and gave away, for all I know. It's got that sort of like M60 jacket look to it, you know, from the Vietnam War era. This is almost worth keeping, I reckon. I swear, mate, this could actually be the jacket that was mine. I'm pretty sure it is. No, I feel like this color looks quite good on me. What do you guys think? Is it a yay? Is it a nay? $3. Big fan of this one. Like, I would put money on this being my jacket. I could swear this was my jacket. Next up is this loose fit t-shirt from Cotton On. I could not pick this one up. This was $1. Now, I remember seeing shirts like this for sale at Cotton On for like, where was it? It was at the Spencer Street Mall in Melbourne. They had like a bunch of these like loose fit sort of skater type shirts for sale for $10. So I paid, I think it was $1. So it's like a 90% saving. Anyways, I think it looks really good. I'm definitely gonna give it a wash though. That's the thing with wearing like thrift store stuff. You've got to be sure it's being washed, and I don't know. It smells like it's being washed, but it also smells like old coins. So it's kind of sus. You know what I'm saying? Moving on to bag 2. Here is a regular fit shirt from Just Jeans. I love the color for it. I don't know if it's gonna fit me. It's a medium, but it is a classic fit. I'm generally like a medium slim fit. Looks to be in basically new condition. And Just Jeans are a good brand. Fun fact, I used to work at Just Jeans. So there's a little bit of Aussie Marcel trivia for you. Yeah, this is good. This actually fits. I might wear this to work tomorrow night. Pull that out. This is like the perfect fit. I'm actually gonna wear this tomorrow night. This is awesome. You should be able to see the pattern on camera. It's like got little pin dots. I'm pretty sure it's like black with white pin dots. Anyways, this looks really nice, really classy. I'm gonna wear this to work tomorrow night. It's gonna look very nice with like a black suit jacket. Hang on, I'll be back in a second. Alright, you'll have to ignore how crinkled this jacket is. I need to go get it dry cleaned or pressed or something. This is the black blazer I wear to work. This is gonna be such a look, man. There we go. That's one hell of a look, man. That's classy as. This look is what this sort of fragrance oil was made for. That's a combo right there. That's awesome. That's my look for tomorrow night. Come down the bar, buy a drink from me. Or buy me a drink. Maybe we can buy each other drinks. I think that's a pretty good system. Anyways, this may be the best thing I've bought so far. I mean, that Rhythm jacket is great, but this right here is definitely the win of the lot so far. Next up is this brand new preview tailored fit shirt. Now, tailored fit is basically just a more modern way of saying slim fit, and it's brand new with the tags. I reckon this would have been like over $50 brand new. It's a size large, but because it's a tailored fit, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'll just give you a better look at the shirt first. Looks awesome. This is another one of those shirts that you could wear to work. And I think it's part of the Better Cotton initiative. Oh wait, it's Target. This was like the classy brand from Target. Should show you right there. It should say right there. So yeah, I'm pretty sure these were like $49. Oh, it's gonna be too big. That's depressing. Oh, hang on a second. Hang on a bloody second. Nah, mate. This is actually good, and it's brand new. There was like a brand new YD suit as well for $10. But honestly, man, I couldn't be bothered going to like the bank and pulling out another $10 for the op shop. It's a touch long, but everything else for this is perfect. Maybe I'll just tuck it in. This is another score. Really classy. Great pattern. Little palm trees. This is a score. I still like the black one better, but this one is really good. And it has the tags. I think I paid $3 for this. Today's haul is much better than last time's haul, let me tell you right now. Here we've got a medium classic fit Charles Tywit. This looks a little old school, a little old fashioned. Maybe this is gonna be too big. Like, I underestimate how big I am though, because like, I'm like 6'2", man. Oh, I can't be bothered doing them up. You could just like put a tie over this. If you wanted to dress up something like this, like a casual patterned check shirt, just put on like a knitted tie, it's gonna look awesome. Like I've got this like knitted tie from Jack and Jones. That'll look pretty good with this. It's not too big. It's like just a nice casual shirt. It's not my favorite, not by a long shot, but it's pretty decent. Eventually what I want to do is just remove all sort of like shopping for brands out of my brain, like recondition myself to just shop at op shops and stuff like that, because you're supporting a local business. Like all the op shops around here are just run by locals. They don't have employees, they just have volunteers. And you save a lot of money on like decent brands as well. That's not bad. Pretty nice for a casual button-down shirt. These are literally all gonna smell like this fragrance oil because I just put it on my arms. I put it on my arms. Next up is this rugby shirt from Bronson Casual. I don't think I've heard of the brand Bronson. But this is sort of like a preppy sort of look. Oh, like Cotton On started selling these and I wanted to buy some, but I was just like, I'll see if I can find one at like an op shop first. Because it's not really my style. Like the whole polo, long sleeve polo thing, it's not really me. This may be a little too small actually. I don't know, I just feel like with the long hair, it's just kind of goofy. The fit is okay. Lucky I'm a pretty lean guy, or else this would be too small. I don't know. What's everyone's verdict on the rugby shirt? Nah, it just doesn't feel like me. Here's one that I bought for my dad. It's an extra large Polo Ralph Lauren cotton sweater, knitted sweater. Pretty sure it's cotton. Yeah, it's cotton. So yeah, this is something that I didn't buy for me. Oh yeah, 100% Pima cotton. This is something I didn't buy for me. I just bought it for my dad. Just put it in his like Christmas stocking or something. He may not even wear it, but because it's Ralph Lauren, he's gonna froth it. And lucky last, we've got this medium Nike sweater. And this was $3 as well. It's got a little pocket here. Now I don't really wear Nike stuff or Adidas stuff, but for $3, man, can't really go wrong. Like as a casual, just a casual sweater, this is probably pretty decent. Good fit, feels good, it's not too tight, not too loose. This is exactly the size I would want. I don't know, just because it's Nike though, it's not really me. It's not rock and roll enough. So yeah, that is everything. That's everything from the Up Shop haul. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite pieces were from the haul. I've got to say it's going to be that Just Jeans button down, the black one with the white pin dots on it. That thing is next level. And actually, I'm pretty surprised with that preview shirt with the tags on it. This has been a pretty good buy. This is, I think, a better haul than last time. There's one Op shop here that has cheaper stuff but then not as good, and then another shop that's more expensive but has better stuff, and this is from the Op shop that has the better stuff. So obviously you can tell, I think I ended up spending $25 on everything today. Everything you saw, $25 total. That's one hell of a deal, I've got to say. So I'm curious, let me know in the comments below what the best deal is you ever found at an Op shop. Can't wait to hear from you guys, and until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.